Okay, what's up, YouTube? You know who it is. It's Space Crypto coming at you again one more time. About to give you another video. Remember to leave a like, remember to share, remember to subscribe. Also, turn on notifications. Check out my social media. Links are in the description. They're also at the bottom of this video. So, real quickly, I want to talk to you guys about KCCPAD. Now, KCCPAD is down crazy. Just around 4 cents, a little bit above 4 cents right now as the current price. And obviously, I'm thinking right now this is a great opportunity to buy. I'm going to definitely buy some more of these tokens. KCCPAD is a very, very important coin, guys. And let me actually visit the website so you guys can actually get an understanding of what this is about. Essentially, KCCPAD is a launchpad on the largest launchpad on KCC, the KCC blockchain. And essentially, new projects that are going to be released on KCC in sometime in the future, you have the opportunity to get into these projects dirt cheap at the lowest price you're going to ever get these tokens for. So you had like about 12 projects that got released on KCCPAD. You had Katana Inu, PulsePad Gamers, MetaVPad, Happy Fans, Vikings Chain, VelasPad, Game Zone, Pacific DeFi, Adapad, CrossSwap, and NFC launch. Now these are so 12 projects got launched. There's some more that's about to come out. We know that Polypad is going to be launching KCCPAD as well as DotPad. So those are going to be two more launchpads. Those are going to be launchpads for Polygon and Polkadot blockchains, respectively. But basically, you're getting into these projects really on the dirt cheap. I mean, yeah, you get into allocation round. You're only given a certain amount of money to invest, right? You can't just invest anything you want to invest in there. But with whatever money you get, you can just use that, buy some tokens in these projects, and then when the project pumps, which is gonna pump because you're getting it dirt cheap, you just sell it. You just sell it and make some money. You make a profit off that. Or you could hold them, stake them, whatever. But basically, you're getting it at a some of these projects $100,000 market cap. I mean, it's ridiculous. Like $100,000 market cap. I mean, you can't ask for nothing better than that. $100,000 market cap. Some of these projects, it's really ridiculously cheap. And yeah, you can get a whole bunch of tokens early. And obviously KCC is still in the early stage. The KCC blockchain hasn't, as I said in the previous video, hasn't really been promoted much by KCC themselves. And we do know that it's still in the early stages, still a lot of development to be done. A lot of developers have not migrated over, and so you don't really have that many projects. So, being able to get into some of these early projects, it's a great long-term bet for the future, especially once KCC really starts dominating in the space. We know the KCC exchange is very big, one of the largest exchanges. So why not? Its blockchain be also really huge. We've seen Binance to this, so I don't see anything holding KCC back. So KCCPAD, this is great. I think it's a great buy right now. It's at its lowest. If you look at the all-time chart, you'll see that it started out around 38 cents, somewhere around there. Well, not 38 cents, around 3 cents. And right now it's around 4 cents. So pretty good time to buy. I would say you're not going to get it any cheaper than this. You may as well just get in now before it really pumps. Again, this is a great buying opportunity, something that I'm telling you about. Haven't really checked out the other launchpads. I'm sure the other ones are pretty low too. I know that BSCPAD went down significantly, and man, this is dirt cheap as well. BSCPAD, really cheap. Look at this, man. All-time lows for BSCPAD. My goodness, 75 cents. Listen, man, like you guys got to see like this. These are some dirt cheap prices. You get in BSCPAD at this rate. Like there was a time when BSCPAD was $5. It was literally $5-6. So this is 75 cents. This is way down. I might just buy some BSCPAD. I wasn't even thinking about it. But yeah, this one definitely, man, you want to get into these, on the dirt cheap. Obviously the staking tiers right now. So right now is the best time, because if you look at the staking tier, so 200,000 to get into the kucoiners tier, and since KCCPAD is averaging around 4 cent. See what I'm saying? You could do the math on this, right? Let's do some math, right? So 100, let's say 100,000 times 4 cent. We're talking about that's $4,000, right? So just $8,000, $8,000 to get into this the highest tier. I mean, there was times when it would be like $30,000, $40,000 to get into the highest tier. You know what I mean? And that's how it is for a lot of these launch pads. Let me see BSCPAD. Let me just check something real quickly on how much it is to get into the highest tier on BSCPAD. I'm sure it's pretty cheap right now. I'm sure it's way cheaper than it's. I think it's got to be the lowest right now, because I mean these are the lowest prices, all time. And you look at the chart. I mean, it started out at about $2. It started out at about $2. So that just shows you how cheap this is. Let's look at the staking requirements. So this is the highest tier. This is wow, blue diamond, 75,000. Now if you do some, let's do some. Let me just pull out a calculator real quickly to show you exactly what it is to get into the highest tier on BSCPAD. Right? So it's still expensive. It's actually 56,000. But at one point it was like, you're talking about, this was like probably like 100,000, 200,000 to get the blue diamond highest tier. And BSCPAD, granted, BSCPAD is the most active of all of them. Like, there's always something new coming out on BSCPAD, like every day. Like, there's so many new projects. So I mean, getting in BSCPAD, but I mean, listen, man. If you're gonna make any moves, I'll say, definitely look at BSCPAD, KCCPAD. I think long term that's gonna be a great bet. And the thing about these platforms is that the more projects that come on them, the more the price goes up, right? Because there's more projects, so people have to buy the tokens to get into more stuff. So right now, because KCCPAD is not much stuff coming in, right now everything is kind of low on the lower side, but this is a great buy, guys. This is definitely a great buy. So definitely, man, check that out. Check out these project BSCPAD, KCCPAD, and buy these tokens. Stake them. I mean, you can stake the tokens. You get about 15%. If you stake, you get about 15% APR consistently on these tokens. I mean, listen, man. I mean, 15% APR. That's way better than what you get in a bank. But anyways, have a great day. Page Crypto sign out. Remember to subscribe to my channel. I'll be putting out more videos. Also, check out my social media. Links are in the description. They're also at the bottom of this video. But anyways, have a great day. Pacey Crypto signing out. Peace.